Alright, so if Smallpdf isn't loading, not converting files, or just keeps showing errors, yeah, that can be annoying. Most of the time, it's not the tool itself, it's browser issues, internet problems, or file limits. So in 2026, let's go step by step and fix Smallpdf not working. First, make sure your internet connection is stable. Smallpdf is an online tool, so a weak connection can stop uploads or processing. Next, refresh the page. Sometimes a simple reload fixes temporary glitches. If it still doesn't work, switch your browser. For example, try Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge for better compatibility. Now clear your browser cache and cookies. Old data can cause loading and processing issues. Browser extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with Smallpdf. Disable them temporarily and try again. If your file is too large, it might fail to upload. Try compressing the file before uploading. If you're signed in, log out and log back in. This can fix account-related issues. Open Smallpdf in incognito or private mode. This disables extensions and uses a clean session. Make sure your browser is up to date. Older versions can cause compatibility problems. Finally, restart your device. This clears temporary system issues and refreshes everything. So yeah, that's how to fix Smallpdf not working in 2026. Follow these steps and your PDF tools should be back up and running smoothly.